Thanks for joining me again. This is another method of getting our data sorted out I want to show us today. So I have this data fixed for someone, so I just pick a little part of it to show us how to get something like this done if you find ourselves in this kind of condition next time. This is the data, the name of the student, the mark that each student, maybe it was copied from somewhere and it was not well arranged. So we have it like this, and you can see Scott got this, Samuel got this, Rex got this, and Regina got this. So the best way to get it done is that just highlight the data you want to work on instead of, okay, a lot of people will do it in this way. Instead of copy it and paste it and copy again and paste it and copy again and paste here. So it might waste a lot of time. So if you have multiple data, you have a bulk of data that is bigger than this, so you might even spend a day doing this. So the best way and to go about it is that highlight your data. So on your taskbar, look for data, click on data, go to text column, click on text column under data tools. You will see text column under data tools. So it will, this drop down will drop, click on next. So you will see your tab here. So uncheck the tab and come to order. When you click on order, click on this. So you will see your data split. You see your data got splitted into the way you want it to look like. And what's next? Just click finish. Can you see? Within a second, within 2 or 3 seconds, we have done what you take it to copy and paste. So, and when you have stuff like this, you find out that it is not well arranged. You still have a lot of things to do. You might want to be arrange it properly. So instead of wasting time, like you just click on this left side here, top left here, click on it and just double click on one of this. You can see your data within a seconds. You have your data properly arranged and it look great. So it's look great, and you can filter it the way you want it to look like. You can do it any way you want it to look like, make it look good. So you can see, make it look good and make it well presented the way you want it. Like within a seconds, we have done what will take us a longer time to do. So now the same thing that is applicable to a text like this can the same thing that's applicable to text like this can also be applicable to number. Maybe like a lot of things were sent to me to 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 analyze properly, to analyze it the way it's supposed to be, to make the data well for reporting. So the let me show you, the names are also combined together. And can you see, the names? The names are combined together in a way that, see, can you see what I'm talking about? The names are combined together, and it's not good in this kind of format that is looked. So there are ways we have this. You can have a series of data that are combined together like this, instead of first name to be on the column and the second the second name to be on on separate column. So the what you do is to follow the same procedure that we did for data, for digits. The same way can also be performed for alphabet. So now, or letters or sentence or anyhow, if you have three names, if you have anything you want to separate, or you have series of sentences you want to separate, you want it to be on different columns, it can be done in the same format. So go to data as well, and go to text delimited, follow the same procedure, and select the same procedure that the what you can do here is that we have space between each, so we can use space method uncheck the order, use separate by space. You can see the moment I click separate by space, we have different, we've separated into these different columns. Just click OK. So we have it together again. So you have first name, you can name it first name, and so you have first name, and you can name second name or surname the way they normally depends on, or second name depends on how you want it to be named. Second name. So it depends on you or how you want to title it. So we have it in a separate column. Straightforward. You might, if you have data that are more bigger than this and you want to separate, so that's just the method you can use to separate that. Thank you. Subscribe and comment. Give our video thumbs up. This will help us to share another knowledge next time. Thank you so much. Bye.